In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoDaddy Website Builder pricing and understand the cost of the basic, standard, premium, and e-commerce plans. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard, so it's easier to find the tools you need. If you're new to the platform, this area is where GoDaddy organizes its products and services, including domains, hosting, and website tools. From there, click on Website. This will take you to the section related to your site options and website services. Next, click on Website Builder. This is the area where GoDaddy shows you its available website building plans, along with the features included in each one. Once you're on the Website Builder pricing page, you'll be able to see the different plans available. Typically, these include Basic, Standard, Premium, and e-commerce. This is the most important part of the process because each plan is designed for a different type of user. For example, a simpler plan may work well if you only need a basic online presence, while higher tier plans are usually better if you want more advanced marketing tools, appointments, or online selling features. As you review the options, feel free to select the plan that best matches your needs. Take your time here and compare the pricing carefully. You'll usually see the option to choose between an annual plan and a monthly plan. A monthly plan can be useful if you want flexibility, while an annual plan may offer better overall value depending on your budget and how long you plan to use the service. After you decide which plan you want, go ahead and click Add to Cart. This will move your selected website builder plan into the checkout process. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen to continue. GoDaddy will guide you through the remaining steps, which may include reviewing your plan, confirming billing preferences, and completing your purchase. As you go through checkout, make sure to double-check the plan you selected before you finalize anything, especially if you're comparing features or choosing between monthly and annual billing. That way, you can be confident you're paying for the option that fits your website goals. And that's how to use GoDaddy Website Builder pricing and choose the right basic, standard, premium, or e-commerce plan.